Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging everything. This protects components and you. Once unplugged, disconnect the monitor and any PCIe power cables from the GPU so you can work freely. Make sure to ground yourself. Use a wrist strap or touch the metal case repeatedly to bleed static. Then open the case panels and move any cables obstructing the GPU area out of the way. This shortens removal time and prevents snagging as you access the retention latch and power connectors. Next, remove the PCIe power connectors by depressing their release tabs and pulling straight back. Do not wiggle aggressively. Once power is disconnected, remove the screws securing the card to the chassis bracket so the card can tilt. Now find the small plastic PCIe slot latch on the motherboard. Press down or pull up depending on the slot type. This releases the card retention. Make sure the latch is fully disengaged before attempting to extract the card. With the latch released and screws removed, grip the GPU by its shroud or backplate and pull straight out of the PCIe slot using steady force. Avoid twisting. Once free, set the card on an anti-static surface. Inspect the motherboard slot and the GPU contacts for debris or damage. Clean with compressed air if needed. If the card feels stuck, double-check you removed all screws and the latch is fully open. Gently rock the card side to side while pulling to free it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.